Earnings were a beat, guidance was strong, and call was amazing. I'm talking about all SoFi related. Yet the price drops. I saw a lot of comments about this on YouTube and also on Discord. We can blame macroeconomic factors, microeconomic factors, and a whole lot of other things that's going on in the market right now. So I decided to put a small video together to talk about the price action and also what to see or what to gauge from the current market condition. But before we talk about SoFi's price action, let's talk about few other factors that is making the market these days. I will quickly start with Fed. So Fed came out and confirmed that they are going to give us a 0.25% increase. And I posted on our community tab that Fed is being hawkish. And few folks commented that they're not being hawkish, they're being dovish. I don't agree, and here's my reason. By them coming out with just 0.25% increase, that leaves a lot of uncertainty in the market. We don't know if we are going to get a 50 basis point increase next time, or are we going to get 425 basis point increase in the next four meetings, or 5 basis point increase, or 50 basis point increase in the next four meetings. See, market was prepared for a rug pull this meeting, and now that is not happening. That has left many wonder what's coming next. We know CPI is going to be bad. We know inflation is going to be bad and will continue to soar in the coming months. That brings me to my number 2 point, which is Russia and Ukraine. So Russia and Ukraine situation is going to get worse, way worse before it'll get better. I read a report from Goldman Sachs that oil is going to touch $185 per barrel. Now, with reports like this, of course, market is going to reach or kind of trade this as a negative thing because oil at $185 a barrel is a huge deal. I personally feel that we are going to get much lower on all indices. And now coming back to SoFi, SoFi being a young company, which is directly fighting the big banks, we are going to see a lot of short pressure on this company. The bank charter or the bank charter effect lasted one day. Earnings didn't even last one day. The stock may settle between $8 and $9, and then based on what market situation we are at, we will see some positive price reaction. Hang in there and do what's best for your portfolio and your personal situation. I never make recommendation like load up or buy now because no one can and should tell you what to do. Hope I added some clarity on SoFi's price action and what to expect in the coming days. Again, market is still very undecisive and very shaky. Any green day or any red day doesn't mean the end of the stock market or beginning of a bull market. It's all how you look at it. I'm, as I told my Discord members, playing very, very conservatively right now. I don't do much trades these days because it's just so uncertain. I had some FNGU that I bought that I got out with like 5 or 6%, I think, gain, because to me, that's better than losing money. And of course, with the SoFi, we had some covered calls with expired. And, at one point when the earnings came out, I got some comments that, it's going over $16. But see, the thing is, SoFi's price, it's a small company and a 20-30% price increase, it kind of makes investors take profits. And it's going to continue to happen until we get into this long bull market. And then we will see the major institutions, which are still buying SoFi, is going to come with full force and will start loading up more in a way. So I feel that for the next few weeks or few months, things are very dicey in the stock market and will continue to do so. I read a report this morning that basically shows the overall fear in the market and overall tone of the investors. I am planning on making a video on that because I think that's a very important topic. So I hope I provided some value. And if you like the video, then give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing. And for more one-on-one conversation, consider joining our Patreon and Discord. Links are in the description below. As always, a pleasure to share all of this with you. Until next time, you all have a sparkling day.